Welcome back, students. I am Bhavna. We all have been in a situation wherein we need to pay our bills urgently, but we cannot visit the office. What to do in such a situation? We all have some time or other been in a situation where we need to send money somewhere urgently, but the bank is closed. Yes, we can do an online transaction. A new era of financial system in India was started after independence. In this era, efforts were made to improve the methodology and responsibilities of financial system for financial tools. Financial tools are terms used to describe organizations that deal with the management of money. Financial tools are generally not limited to the field of deposit, taking loan and investment services, but also present in the field of insurance, agency service, and all forms of financial intermediation, including the distribution of financial products. So, before jumping into the various financial tools present, let's understand OTP. OTP or one time password is a string of characters or numbers automatically generated to be used for one single login attempt. OTP can be sent to the user's phone via SMS or push messaging and is used to protect web-based service, private credentials, and data. OTPs minimize the risk of fraudulent login attempts and thus the risk of stolen data and money. OTP work through randomness algorithms that generate a new and random password each time they are used. We all might have heard about scanning a QR code to make a payment. So, what is a QR code? A QR code or quick response code is a type of two-dimensional barcode that is used to provide easy access to information through a smartphone. It refers to the instant access to the information hidden in the code. So QR codes are gaining popularity because the technology is open source that is available for everyone. QR code consists of black squares arranged in a square grid on a white background. It can be read by an imaging device such as mobile cameras. QR codes can be static, that is, they remain same over time. QR codes can also be dynamic, that is, the owner of the QR can edit the code at any time now. Now let's learn to make our first transaction through a secure made in India system, which is UPI. UPI or Unified Payment Interface is a digital mode that helps you transfer funds from one bank to another without using any account number, bank name, account type, and IFSC code. It facilitates users to access multiple bank accounts with a single mobile application. We can just transfer the money with our phone number and do not need to enter sensitive bank information. UPI has been launched by the National Payments Corporation of India, also known as NPCI, in conjunction with the Reserve Bank of India and Indian Banks Association. NPCI has framed this network. Now, how to register for the UPI? Step for registration for a UPI are as follows. Number one, download the Bheem app, which is Bharat Interface for Money. Your bank app or any third-party UPI app such as Google Pay, Paytm, etc. Number two, create your profile by adding details such as name, password, UPI PIN, etc. Number three, now link the bank account with the VPA, which is virtual payment address, to complete the registration process. Now that we have registered for UPI, we will generate a UPI PIN. Number one, select the bank account in the app from which you want to carry out the transactions. Number two, once you select the bank account, you will be asked to generate your UPI PIN. Number three, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number with the bank account. Number four, now you enter this OTP to generate your UPI PIN. Number 5. Create your 6 or 4-digit UPI PIN, which will be required for making all the transactions. Now remember to never share your UPI PIN with anyone. UPI PIN is only required to send money and is not required to receive the money. So UPI has numerous benefits not only for customers but for banks and merchants as well. For customers, transfer can be made instantly by it. It is easy to use and requires just a single click authentication. It is highly secured as no account detail or sensitive information is shared. For banks, use of the existing infrastructure ensures no additional cost is incurred by the bank. Also, it is a safe and secure transaction system. For merchants, it provides instant receipt of funds and is suitable for e-commerce platforms. COD or cash on delivery is made easy with UPI. Now we have a UPI account and a PIN. How do we perform a UPI transaction? So steps to transfer money using UPI are as follows. Open the UPI based app on your smartphone. Now select the transfer or send money option. Now enter the account details or mobile number. Enter the UPI PIN to confirm the payment. Money will be transferred instantly and confirmation message is sent to the user's mobile number. Similarly, you can also pay your electricity, water and other utility bills through UPI. We all have government issued Aadhaar cards. Do you know that Aadhaar card can also be used to make payments? AEPS, Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, is a type of payment system that is based on the unique identification number and allows Aadhaar card holders to seamlessly make financial transactions through Aadhaar based authentication. This is simple, secure and user-friendly platform for financial transactions. This is another initiative taken by the National Payments Corporation of India, which is NPCI, to encourage cashless transactions in India. Some services offered by AEPS are cash deposit and withdrawal, payment transactions, balance inquiry, fund transfer. The benefits associated with AEPS are there is no requirement of a signature on your debit card. It is safe and secure payment method. It increases the reach to rural areas. With AEPS, the only information required to initiate a transaction is Aadhaar number. Now, how to use AEPS? Steps to use AEPS are as follows. First, go to a micro ATM or banking correspondent. Number 2, provide Aadhaar number and bank name. Then, choose the type of transaction you want to make. And then, provide verification through fingerprint or iris scan. Now collect your receipt. Consider we are in a remote location where internet is not available but we still have our mobile phones and signal to make a call. What to do when we want to make a transaction in such a situation? We can use USSD or unstructured supplementary service data. It is a communication protocol available on every GSM-enabled mobile phone, whether the phone is smart or not. To use USSD mobile banking, we have to simply dial *99# and use the interactive menu. There are many banks in India that are currently providing the *99# service. How to send money using USSD *99#. Now follow the below steps to send money using USSD *99#. Number 1. Dial *99# using registered mobile number with bank account. Number 2. The interface will appear and you can type 3 letters of your bank short name or first 4 letters of bank, IFSC or the 2-digit bank numeric code and proceed to click send. Now choose number 3 to send money and proceed key in pay or beneficiary mobile number. Now proceed to key in the beneficiary or payee MMID transaction amount. Now enter MPIN and last 4 digits of your bank account number. USSD *99# is easy to use and works on all GSM handsets. It is highly secure interface and works without data connection on a basic phone. In this video, we have learnt about UPI and how to use it. We have also learnt about AEPS and USSD. We will meet again in the next video to learn about some more digital financial tools. Till then, have a nice day.